Hey there! Have you ever heard of green manure? If not, you're about to discover a game-changing practice that can transform your garden, your farm, or even your whole outlook on how we take care of our planet. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're diving into what green manure is and why it's something you should care about. Let's start with the basics. Green manure refers to specific plants that are grown primarily to improve the health of the soil, rather than for harvest. These plants aren't intended to be eaten or sold. Instead, they serve a very important purpose. They are like nature's helpers for your garden or farm. In a nutshell, green manure is a cover crop that you grow, allow to thrive for a while, and then turn into the soil before it flowers or goes to seed. When it decomposes, it releases a variety of nutrients, such as nitrogen, carbon, and other trace minerals, directly into the earth. This process significantly improves the overall quality of the soil, making it more fertile and healthier for the crops you'll plant later. You're probably wondering, how does this work? Well, many plants used as green manure have deep roots that can break up compacted soil and bring nutrients up from deep within the earth. Common examples of green manure plants include things like clover, alfalfa, vetch, mustard, peas, and rye. Each one has its own special superpower that benefits the soil in different ways. For example, clover and alfalfa are great at fixing nitrogen in the soil. Nitrogen is a key nutrient for plants, and these plants help capture nitrogen from the air and transfer it to the soil. This is especially helpful for garden beds or fields that have been growing heavy feeders like corn or tomatoes, which use up a lot of nitrogen. Instead of adding chemical fertilizers to restore the soil's nitrogen levels, you can rely on green manure to do the job naturally. It's like a free, eco-friendly fertilizer that works in harmony with nature. Mustard, for example, can be a great choice because it's known for its ability to break up compacted soil and improve its structure. It's also a natural pest repellent. Vetch, on the other hand, is another nitrogen-fixing plant and can grow in poor soil, making it perfect for rejuvenating fields that have been overused. Another important aspect of green manure is its role in weeding. Certain green manure crops, like clover and peas, grow thick and fast, which can help to smother weeds. This means less work for you when it comes to weeding by hand or using herbicides. But what really makes green manure stand out is that it's a sustainable and natural way of taking care of your soil. You're encouraging a healthier ecosystem for microbes, earthworms, and other beneficial organisms. The decomposition process also reduces soil erosion by keeping the soil covered even in winter months. Without green manure, the soil is more likely to be exposed to the elements. The best part about green manure is that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can choose from a wide variety of green manure plants to meet your specific needs. Now that we've covered what green manure is, you might be wondering, why should I care? Here's the thing. Green manure is not just another gardening trend. First and foremost, healthy soil is the foundation of healthy plants. If you want vibrant flowers, abundant vegetables, or strong fruit trees, it all starts with the soil. Green manure helps improve soil structure by adding organic matter. Healthy soil retains moisture better and improves drainage, making it more adaptable to different weather conditions. Another huge reason to care about green manure is its ability to reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. Commercial fertilizers are expensive and can add up fast. But with green manure, you can reduce or eliminate the need for chemical fertilizers. As these cover crops decompose, they fix nitrogen into the soil naturally. Another reason you should care is its positive impact on biodiversity. Green manure plants attract beneficial insects like bees, ladybugs, and butterflies. If you care about the environment, green manure is a fantastic solution. It's an eco-friendly alternative that promotes soil health and reduces chemical runoff. Green manure also provides erosion control. The plant's roots help hold soil in place, reducing erosion and preventing topsoil loss. Finally, green manure is easy and low maintenance. It doesn't demand a lot of time or effort. Just choose your cover crop, plant it, and let nature take care of the rest. Alright, now that you know why you should care about green manure, let's talk about how to use it. It's actually pretty simple, and I'll walk you through it. First, you pick your crop. You can use different types depending on the season. Some crops work best in the fall, while others thrive in the spring. Here's the process. Choose your green manure based on what your soil needs, then plant it just like any other crop. Let it grow. This is the fun part. Watch your green manure plants grow. The longer they're in the ground, the better. Turn it under. Once your plants are mature, you'll dig them into the soil. This is when all those nutrients start to break down and feed your soil. Give it time to decompose, around 2-4 weeks before planting anything new in the area. And that's it. Simple, right? By now, you're probably sold on green manure, but there are even more benefits. Green manure plants can actually outcompete weeds, shading them out. Green manure helps prevent soil compaction and erosion. It's like giving your soil a strong foundation and making it more plant-friendly. It's clear that green manure is not just trendy. It's an investment in your soil and the environment. If you've stuck around this far, you're probably wondering, how can I start using green manure today? Well, you don't have to wait. Whether you're working with a small garden or bigger plot, getting started with green manure is easy and incredibly rewarding. So what are you waiting for? Get planting! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellow green-thumbed friends. Until next time, happy gardening!